Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in basic JavaScript, global scope and functions. In JavaScript, a scope refers to the visibility of variables. Variables which are defined outside of a function block have global scope. This means they can be seen everywhere in your JavaScript code. Variables which are used without the var keyword are automatically created in the global scope. This can create unintended consequences elsewhere in your code or when running a function again. You should always declare your variables with var. Let's see the tasks for this challenge. Using var, declare a global variable named myGlobal. Outside of any function, initialize it with the value of 10. Inside function fun1, assign 5 to oops global without using the var keyword. So for the my global var my global and initialize it with 10. Okay. And in the case of function fun1, we will assign 5 to oops global without var. Oops global value 5. Okay, run the test and it's successful. Download my solution and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.